Before we continue, I need to mention a few points. 1. Singing and becoming a rock star is definitely tough and require training, practice, and talent. 2. In this video, we'll use free AI tools to write lyrics, compose music, generate vocals, design a cover without graphic design software, and create a music video with just a prompt and no editing software. So please watch the video until the end. 3. You can rely on our channel's tutorials for creating animations and videos with AI, both with and without it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.
We rock the stage, we'll own the night, fueled by passion, burning bright. In the realm of sound, we'll take flight, living the dream as stars ignite.
Let's get into the tutorial now. You've probably heard of Udio. This AI can produce music with just one click. It can generate music in any style you like, and you can even specify the lyrics. Go to the udio.com website and sign up using your Google account. You can see samples created by other users and learn how they were made. This can help you get better results. You can also use the remix feature to create variations. Now, let's start creating our own music. Write some details about the music in the box, like the style and concept. You can also let the AI generate a random prompt. Although you can use auto-generated and instrumental options, let's ask ChatGPT to write a music with one verse and one chorus about something specific, like music. Now give the text to Udio and click on the Create button. After a few minutes, it will generate 2 music pieces, each around 30 seconds long. You can repeat this process until you get the desired result. You can also use the extend option to edit the music and increase the duration. To change the cover, click on Edit and write the details. After a few moments, you can choose from the generated covers and save your selection. After downloading the music, we'll start the video creation process. There are various methods which you can find on our channel or through links provided here. For example, you can use Domo AI or turn your own video into an animation, or you can animate and dance your chosen character's image using Viggle AI, or even produce different images and convert them into videos using Pixverse and Haper. But here, I'll explain the simplest method using Noisy.ai. This website can easily generate animated images and make a video for you with just a music and a prompt. After entering the main page, click on Try Noisy and log in with your Discord account. To start, you need to enter the Generate MV channel. Since this AI requires a link to your music, you can upload it here and copy the link. If you want to use an image as a reference, you can upload it here too and copy its link. Now, type / here and select the Imagine option. You should paste the music link here. Press Enter and proceed to the next step. Write some descriptions about your video in this section. Also, to specify the video style, either paste the link to the image or write it as a prompt. Now, press Enter and wait for the AI to create your video. I should mention that if you will not satisfied with the output, don't worry because I'll explain how to easily replace the plans. Well, here's our music video.
Underneath the neon lights we stand, with guitars in hand we make our stand. Every lyric a journey, every riff unplanned. In this wild symphony we'll make our brand. We rock the stage, we'll own the night, fueled by passion, burning bright. In the realm of sound, we'll take flight, living the dream as stars ignite.
Which looks quite strange. Anyway, you can click on Edit to enter this page. All the plans are listed separately here, and you can edit the prompt for each one and generate again to get your desired output. Until next time, stay creative.